Are you planning to buy a brand new Bluetooth speaker anytime soon? Hold on. Here's an easy way to upgrade your existing legacy speakers to a Bluetooth version. That too at 1/10 the cost. To start with, you need a 3.5mm stereo audio male input cable and a Bluetooth adapter. Check the link to this product in the description. If your speaker doesn't have a USB slot, you will also need a mobile power adapter. Insert the Bluetooth into the adapter USB slot. Connect the audio male input cable from your speaker to the Bluetooth. Plug the adapter and speaker into a power source. When a device is not connected, the Bluetooth blinks less frequently. Next, turn on the speaker and pair the Bluetooth. It's time to play your favorite music and have fun. If you found this video useful, leave a like and hit the subscribe button.